Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you went through and accidentally deleted a conversation, just like I did. There are a number of different ways to be able to recover those. I'm going to walk you through the easiest and then step basically through the most complex and the ones that will definitely get them back. Now, let's say you deleted a conversation. All you need to do as a first step is to tap on the filter icon at the top right. And there you can see is recently deleted. You'll be able to see here's Haley and BJ. I just deleted it and you can see it says 1 day. Essentially, it will show you how many days it has that it's been deleted. And after it gets to about 40 days, it will be permanently deleted. All you need to do is tap on it and then hit recover and then recover. Just like that, if I go out of the filter, you'll be able to see there are those messages. However, I assume you've already known that and you've already tried that. Let's go through a bit more complex and other steps that will definitely get it fixed. Let's head into the settings next. So open up the settings app and let me go back to the beginning here. The first thing I would recommend doing is tapping on your name at the very top. After you've done that, let's tap on where it says iCloud here midway down. And now you can see save to iCloud and there is messages. If you don't see messages, just tap on see all and then tap on messages in iCloud. You'll be able to see it says use on this iPhone and it is turned on. Essentially, this means all of the messages on your iPhone are synced up with the iCloud. However, one trick you can do is try to toggle it off and you can see it says disable and download messages. This will essentially download all of those messages that are on iCloud onto your iPhone to see if there's a copy of that deleted message. Keep in mind, if it hasn't synced up since you deleted the message, it'll essentially download it from iCloud. So try to turn that off and download all those messages. If that doesn't work for you, let's go through the next step. Let's go back to the very beginning. And at the very beginning, let's check to see if you have an iCloud backup of your entire phone. So tap on your name at the very top. And then from here, we're going to tap on iCloud again. But in this case, I'm going to tap on iCloud Backup. Once I'm here, you can see last successful backup was at 2 a.m. So you're going to check to see when that backup was. If that backup was before you deleted that text messages, all you need to do is restore to that backup. To do that, all we need to do is go back out of here, go to the very beginning of the settings. And from here, we're going to scroll down and tap on General here. After you've done that, let's scroll down to the very bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and all we need to do is hit the Erase All Content and Settings. Now, the nice thing is you can do this because you've already backed up all of the content to your phone to the iCloud. So essentially, you're erase everything back to factory default, but then you're just restoring it back through that backup. And essentially by doing so, you'll restore all of those text messages. So just go through the process of hitting continue. I would recommend hitting the keep eSIM, but erase the data, and then go through the process of restoring to that iCloud backup. Essentially, when you turn it back on, it will ask you, do you want to bring it back from that backup? Just hit yes. Now, after you've done that, if it still doesn't work, the next trick that we're going to do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. At the very beginning of your settings, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps at the bottom. And then we're going to scroll down until we find Messages on this list. There it is. Now, one trick that you could use is potentially you're forwarding your text messages to another device. This is especially true if you have a Mac computer or an iPad or something like that. So you can tap on text message forwarding, and you can see in my case, I'm forwarding all my text messages to my MacBook Pro. So I could always go over to that MacBook Pro. I would recommend immediately turning on airplane mode so it doesn't sync up with iCloud. And then after you've done that, just check all the messages to see if they're not deleted on that device. Potentially it's not synced up yet, and those old messages are on that device, but not on your iPhone. Now, if that still doesn't work for you, we can go through a couple other steps. One thing that you can do is you can check a computer. So if you have a MacBook or MacBook Pro or even a Windows computer, you can check to see if there's a backup of your phone and thus all your messages on that device. So you can see in this case, iPhone backups on Mac are located in Library, Application, Support, Mobile Sync, and Backup. If you don't necessarily know how to get there, you can just type it into Google, but essentially all you're going to do is go through these steps to be able to find that backup to see if there is a backup with those messages on your computer, whether it's a Mac computer or a Windows computer. You can go through these steps. You can see basically a detailed guide here. Just Google it and you'll be able to find that. Now, if any of these don't work, your last resort is to check your carrier, because your carrier oftentimes keep records of your text logs and your call logs. So in my case, I have AT&T, so I can type in AT&T text logs. And you can see it says check your AT&T wireless usage. You can download or print detailed logs of your call usage, text usage, and mobile data. Now keep in mind, this won't necessarily always have the content of those text messages. It might just say, hey, you texted this phone number at this time, but sometimes it does have the actual content of those text messages. So if there is an absolute need to be able to get that and recover that text message, consider reaching out to your carrier, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, and ask for the text or call logs and check to see if they're in there. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.